Hey, if you are wondering how you can recharge your Sony WH-1000XM5, it's actually quite simple. You've got like one method but into two different types. So we can only charge them wired by using USB-C input right here. And you can connect these headphones, for example, only by using USB-C, USB-A or double USB-C cable. Take a look. In this case, I'm gonna connect this into my phone. And now the device will start charging. You can also turn it off. And there we go. And now it actually starts charging. If it is not working, you can simply just unplug the cable and put it back. You can also connect this cable into the power adapter. So as you can see here, I have this one of adapter that I have in my house, the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. It works fine. You don't actually use any specific charger, an original from Sony or for example from other company like Samsung. You can even use a no-name adapters. That's basically it, like the quick information for you. So yeah, that will be all.